How to day trade on crypto. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vasnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can day trade on crypto. The first thing is, crypto suitable for day trading? Yes, crypto can be well suited for day trading due to its frequent price fluctuations. The dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market provides ample opportunities for day traders to capitalize on short-term price movements, allowing for potential profits. On crypto.com, how you can buy and sell it? What you can do is you can simply head into the crypto.com wallet application, tap on the home, the crypto logo on the bottom of your screen, and then what you can do is you can simply tap on buy option there, and once you tap on buy, you'll be headed to list of cryptos available. You can go ahead and you can check for the statistics, the details, the dynamics, and then you can go ahead and select a particular crypto. Suppose you're gonna buy Bitcoin, simply tap on Bitcoin, and then there on the Bitcoin detail page, you'll get buy, sell, and transfer. You can simply tap on buy option and you'll be able to buy it, entering the amount, adding your details, and you'll be able to buy it. Similarly, once you want to sell it, you want to simply tap on sell option there on the same detail page, and you want to head and go ahead and tap on sell and enter the amount that you wish to sell, and go ahead entering the details, and you'll be able to sell it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.